Hello, I have ordered some small things for my DIY shop from Temu for the first time. So I am recording the experience and I am comparing the prices and what I get. Did I really get value for the money, or it's just a hype of Temu? So first of all, this is the whole package I have ordered. It has a lot of macrame threads, cords, and their whole rolls. But these rolls, the one I am showing in double rolls, they were very small in packets. I was expecting a bit big, and I don't know if they are in complete measurement or no, but they have said that they are 100 meters. So they are 2 in length and they are 100 meters each, so total it's 200 meter and 2 rolls. So I think it's a good value for money, but overall I was expecting a bit more quality thread, and this is a raffia thread. It was very nice quality, and however it was on full price as compared to eBay or any other website like Amazon. So I have ordered the 2 rolls of brown raffia threads and 1 roll of blue raffia red thread. So this is another 2 rolls of macrame thread, and this was also another macrame thread in gray color. This is another width, I guess this was 3 and this is 100-meter roll. This is 100-meter each with khaki color. So I guess this will be very easy to make different DIYs. And this is a multicolor thread. It's a macrame cord, but in different orientation, like it's not 100% pure cotton. Overall its price value was like it's not very expensive, but it's not very, I must say, not. And this is overall all everything. Overall I am somehow, I can say, 60% satisfied with the Temu shopping, but I feel like the quality of the product is compromised when you compromise on money. Temu also have high-end products. They are on full price, and I guess they will be equally in good quality if you pay the whole price. I hope you like today's video. If you like it, please consider subscribe to my channel, like and share, and please do leave a comment about how did you like my shopping haul, or I should be making such videos again. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.